Welcome back to Vehicle Club, your ultimate destination for the latest in bikes, reviews, and all things two-wheeled. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated 2025 Royal Enfield Meteor 350. With a refined design, upgraded features, and better riding dynamics, the new Meteor continues to shine in the cruiser segment. Let's take a closer look. Design and styling. The 2025 Meteor 350 retains its signature cruiser silhouette but now comes with subtle yet impactful design updates. Royal Enfield has introduced fresh color schemes and premium badging that enhance its road presence. The new model also gets improved switchgear and a redesigned seat for added comfort on long rides. Performance and engine. Powering the Meteor is the reliable 349 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, air oil-cooled engine, now tweaked for better fuel efficiency and smoother throttle response. While the power figures remain similar at 20.2 brake horsepower and 27 Nm of torque, the updated ECU mapping and reduced vibrations make the 2025 version more refined on highways and in city traffic. Features and technology. Royal Enfield has added small but meaningful tech upgrades. The Tripper navigation pod now comes standard across all variants, with improved responsiveness. USB charging, LED lighting, and a semi-digital instrument cluster continue to add practicality without overcomplicating the ride experience. The updated console also supports Bluetooth for real-time updates. Ride quality and comfort. The chassis remains unchanged, but the suspension has been slightly retuned for a plusher ride. Whether you're cruising through city streets or heading for a weekend escape, the Meteor delivers a smooth and relaxed ride, thanks to its low seat height, wide handlebars, and stable geometry. Conclusion: worth the upgrade. The 2025 Royal Enfield Meteor 350 may not be a radical overhaul, but the refinements make a good bike even better. It's a solid choice for both new and experienced riders looking for a stylish, reliable cruiser. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Vehicle Club for more updates like this.